Hi, this is Christy with Guidepost to Wellness. You guys know how I like to come outside and enjoy the sunshine on a break, so I thought I would record a video or two. I wanted to give everybody an update. As you know on my channel, for those of you that are new, I discuss a lot of different subjects that have to do with improving your overall health, autoimmunity, and things of that nature. And one of the things I've recently been going through has been around hitting menopause and the effect that that's had on me and my decision to do bioidentical hormone replacement. So I wanted to give a little bit of an update. I started out when I went in January. My progesterone was registered at less than 0.5%, so essentially zero. And after approximately 6 weeks on the treatment, I had lab work done again, and it was 33.5. And he said that was outstanding. And I can definitely tell that I've had, I would say primarily from the progesterone, would be the decrease in the hot flashes, the night sweats, no more. Great sleep. Probably the best sleep that I've had in a very long time. And the mood swings and concentration, the severe issues more than I normally have, those have improved significantly. So he's really pleased with where the progesterone is. My free testosterone was 1.4, which was at the lowest end. Actually, that was below normal, I think, for women. And even though now it's showing at 15.5, which according to the lab testing is showing high, he's very pleased with that and said that that's a really good level for me to be at. And I can definitely feel the difference. I have more stamina and energy during exercising. I'm not getting quite as sore. I'm starting to actually build some muscle. Able to do those downward dogs that I'm so clumsy at in yoga a little bit better. So definitely feeling improvement with that. He did say that it can take 4 to 6 months or so to see the optimal improvement, because I'm not seeing like a huge drop in weight and everything like I would hope for, but he said that that can take a little bit of time. Now, my estrogen, believe it or not, was actually started out at less than 15, which was essentially zero on the test, and it was 43. So as the doctor suspected, I'm still making estrogen. I haven't had a cycle since October, but I still am making estrogen, so that's probably still going to fluctuate and go up and down, and that's going to affect a lot of different factors. So once that completely stops, then we can try to get on a level that's going to be consistent. But for now, just leaving that as it is. My thyroid is probably the biggest area where I'm still having the most symptoms. He changed me to a bioidentical form of T3 and T4. And he started out at a little bit lower of a dose, but it was really still not optimal. As a matter of fact, I got rid of the hot flashes and night sweats and went back to the cold intolerance. And for where I'm in the southeast, and so the spring around here has been one day of 80, the next day of 50, and back and forth, and that just drives my body nuts. If I drop temperature 5 degrees when the sun goes down, I'm freezing and wrapping up in a blanket, and that was still going on. So 2 weeks ago is when I had these last labs done. He upped the dosage for my thyroid, and I noticed a pretty immediate improvement in the cold intolerance. So that's really good. So I'm excited. I'm feeling the effects of it in a positive way. I still have a ways to go to get everything balanced out. My thyroid and probably testosterone levels have been off for probably years. So it's going to take a little while of being back on those and exercising and eating properly and everything to get myself back down to my ideal weight. And once all of the estrogen fluctuations stop too. So all in all, I'm really pleased with it. I know I still owe you guys a video. Whoops, sorry. I know I still owe you guys a video talking more in depth about the bioidentical versus synthetic and some other things like that, the pros and cons, and I'll be getting that out to you soon. just with the things that are going on in America with the pandemic and some other things, I've been focusing on a few other videos. So I do owe that to you, and I will get that out to you shortly. If you like this video, please feel free to subscribe and share. I know there's other people out there that are going through the same thing, so please share. I would love to hear your comments below, and I look forward to getting back to you in a couple weeks.